25 years. Donkervoort was known for the roar of the Audi 5-cylinder engine. It was their trademark, their soul, and their identity. So when they announced the F22 as the end of the German 5-cylinder era, we panicked. We thought the magic was gone. The new Donkervoort P24 RS is here to tell us to calm down. Named after Dennis Donkervoort's daughter, Phoebe, born Arling Arsith. The P24 RS is the biggest, most powerful, and most ferocious car these crazy Dutch designers have ever built. It replaces Audi roar with American power, fitting a heavily modified Ford V6 engine into a chassis that weighs less than a grand piano. This is the car that proves there is life after the 5-cylinder engine. The power to choose powertrain. The key point is a heart transplant. The Audi engine is dead. Long live Ford. Under the long, ventilated carbon hood is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine derived from the Ford GT EcoBoost architecture. But Donkervoort didn't just install it. They rebuilt it with dry sump lubrication and a custom turbocharger from Vanderlee. It produces 600 horsepower and 590 pounds FT, 800 Newton meters of torque. The PTC button is its signature trick. A rotary knob on the dashboard lets you invoke power to choose. You can switch engine maps directly. Commuter, 400 horsepower controllable. Sport, 500 horsepower monstrous. Race, 600 horsepower deadly. In a world of dual-clutch automatic transmissions, the P24 RS sticks with a 5-speed manual. Why only 5? Because the engine has so much torque, you don't need 6. And 5-speed is lighter. Monster Dynamics 2. 3G. Donkervoort isn't chasing a 0 to 60 time. Although it does reach 124 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds, they're chasing lateral G-forces. Thanks to a new X-Core? Carbon fiber chassis, where the carbon expands in a mold like bread. The car weighs just 780 kilograms, 1,719 pounds. With custom Nankang CRS tires, the P24 RS produces 3G of lateral acceleration in corners. For comparison, a Bugatti Chiron produces about 5G. Your neck will give out before the tires. No filter, no power steering unless you choose it. No abs unless you choose it. Traction control is adjustable, but in its purest form, it's a battle between man and machine. Swing out. Headlight design. The P24 RS looks like a Batmobile designed by Formula One engineers. The most distinctive visual feature is the new headlight design. They swing out from the body, giving the car a wider, insect-like appearance at night, while also clearing the airflow during the day. The entire front subframe is made from a single piece of carbon fiber. You can see the weave everywhere. The doors open upward and outward, butterfly style, inviting you into the surprisingly spacious cabin, now accommodating drivers up to 6'7". The intercooler is 3D printed by Conflux. It's so efficient that it's mounted inside the engine bay rather than in the front bumper, improving weight distribution. Analog Zin interior. If you want navigation, you attach your iPhone to a magnetic mount. Donkervoort refused to mount a heavy infotainment screen on the dashboard. The center console is a series of billet aluminum toggle switches and rotary dials for traction control and brake bias. It feels mechanical, cool to the touch, and expensive.